Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Charanjit here from California Public School Kokhrana. I hope you are safe and healthy at your home. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is values and data types. In this chapter we are discussing about the data types of the variables as well as we are discussing about the values and characteristics and tokens. Let's start our chapter. What is language? Language is the mode of communication through which we can share our opinions and ideas with each other. Java is computer programming language that is used to communicate with the computer system. To learn about any language, we have to start with its alphabets only. For example, to learn about English language, firstly we have to learn about A, B, C up to Z, or we can say that A, B, K, and so on. After learning about the alphabets, we will learn about the words, how to make that words like cat, rat. And after learning about the words, we can make sentences, that is book, this is chair. And after the sentences, we can make the paragraph of that language. Same to learn about the programming language, we have to discuss about firstly character set, and after discussing about character set we can learn about what is tokens, and then we can make instructions, and after writing the instruction we can make our program. Now what is character set? It is the alphabets of programming language Java. It has different parts like it include letters, digits, operators and delimiters. Letters include capital A to Z and small a to Z, and digits include 0 to 9 digits of numbers, and operators are of three types: arithmetical operator, logical operator and relationship operators, or we can say that relational operators. Arithmetical operators are used to perform the arithmetic operations like subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, and logical operators are used to combine more than one conditions in one sentence. These operators are logical and, logical not, logical or, and relationship operators are used to check the condition, to compare the more than one things. These operators are less than is equal to, greater than is equal to, less than, greater than, is equal to and not is equal to. Then comes to the point delimiters. These are the special characters that are used in Java language. Characters are semicolon, dot, braces, opening brace, closing brace, opening curly brace, closing curly brace, etc. What is Unicode? As we know that computer uses specific code for every character that is entered by the user. So for these codes, every programming language uses standard codes. Earlier we use ASCII, ISO, IEC codes, but Java uses Unicode. Unicode is the wide representation of characters in numeric form. It contains hexadecimal range from 0000 up to FFFF. So what are the advantages of Unicode? It is followed throughout the world. It is more efficient coding system than ISO and IEC. It supports uniform coding width for all the characters. This table shows the Unicode characters for each and every character in the Java. It shows A is encoded into 0041, B is encoded into 0042 code. Next is ASCII code. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. These codes are decimal numbers represented in 7 binary digits. It is available for limited numbers only from 0 to 127. It is the table of ASCII code. In this table, let's see, A is encoded into the 65 code and capital V is encoded into 66 and small a is encoded into 97 code. Next topic is escape sequence. These are the non-graphic characters that are used to give commands to direct the cursor while printing. It begins with backslash and followed by the character. So it is also called backslash characters because it uses backslash. For that, it allows the user to customize the screen and get a formatted output. We can display our output in that format in which we can want our output. There are some backslash characters are there that we are used in our program. That is, first one is /n that is used for new line, /t used for tab spacing, and slash double quotes are used to print the double inverted commas in your output, and double slash is used for insert backslash at the point of its appearance in the message, and single slash with single quote is used to insert a single quote in your output message. That's all, students. Thank you and stay safe and healthy at your home. Goodbye.